Hey, we're here from our Commbox Experience Centre up in Warriewood on the northern beaches of Sydney, and I'm sitting here with Angela from Syndeticom to talk about our recent rollout with St Augustine's down in Brookvale.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
We had done the upgrade for the bells and PA system for the school, and more recently we actually did the installation of 12 Commboxes,
Awesome.
86-inch classic S4. And since then we've been just strengthening the relationship with the school. With Commbox it's pretty easy. It's an all-in-one solution with a mounting bracket which helps you find the center line in the classroom as well as the correct height to install the bracket. And it helps a lot our AV team to deliver the project up ahead of schedule. Commbox, the only thing we need is power and network connectivity, and it's ready to go. Why schools like St Augustine's invest in Commbox?
We designed the entire operating system, which allows us great insight and ability to design something that supports our educators. You know, the last thing we want is for educators to be, trying to wade their way through the front of classroom technology. That's not what we're trying to do here at Commbox. We're really trying to change the way they use the technology to communicate or effectively communicate what they need to teach, which is the curriculum. And so the Commbox is just a tool. We're trying to really change the way people think about technology in the classroom, because we know there's a bit of stigma with that, but as well as actually get them to use the technology that they're investing in. The rollout with Syndeticom and St Augustine's isn't over here though. You know, a key part of the Commbox rollout doesn't end when installation happens. That follow-up in making sure that teachers are equipped in knowing how to use the product, that ICT managers are equipped in knowing how to manage and control the screens as well. So there'll be continuous training, ongoing training and support that we need to provide down at the school. But yeah, I really look forward to our journey ongoing with St Augustine's and Syndeticom as well.
Awesome.